In tropical regions, summer may not be a pleasant time for us, and gardening during these days is a big challenge because most of the plants, especially the flowering plants, lose its vigor, energy, and beauty quite early due to scorching heat and direct sunlight. Truly speaking, I can't give much time to keep them blooming throughout the summer days because some plants like rose and hibiscus need more care and attention. So I always prefer other varieties which are self-sustained and they need basic care only, like watering daily, fertilizing them once in a month. So let's see my collection of some seasonal and permanent flowering plants during the spring and summer season. These are adenium, popularly known as desert rose. Its unique shape, its caudex, its flowers are so charming. I must say a single plant can have a special space in your heart and in your garden. My adenium are looking very pretty in the bonsai pots. Here come to a seasonal flower, Gomphrena, also known as globe amaranth. The purple shades are real very common. Off-white and white colors are equally good. It blooms throughout the year, but in summer you cannot count them. These are Kochia, an ornamental plant, absolutely no maintenance. I don't mind though they don't have any flowers. It gives a stunning lush green effect along my other flowering plants. This is Plumeria, all-time favorite. Its small tree-like structure, its presence always gives me a tropical feelings. And the sweet smell of plumeria fills the air in the summer evenings is an inexpressible experience in my garden, just like a perfect outing after a long tiring day. Vinca, these are popularly known as periwinkle. It has a beauty all its own. I also love its shiny dark green leaves in oval shape with these prominent light green midribs. They need low maintenance, perfect for summer. They give you flowers for a longer period but more bloom in spring and summer. These are cosmos, one of my favorite plant. If you are looking for a flower that will stay bloom for months, so here is the cosmos. This is hydrangea, definitely the showstopper of my little terrace garden. This treated as ornamental plant because of this beautiful flower. It gives an elegant touch to fine decor of your house also. It usually blooms in winter and spring, but this variety can survive under shade in spite of the scorching heat of the sun. Still, I have these plant petunias. They have survived in spite of frequent unexpected rainy days in this summer. But petunias are long-lasting flowering plants. They may bloom from October, November to till May and June. Gerbera. I couldn't help myself buying such a plant from nursery. I am always attracted by the beauty and the different set of colors of this beautiful flower. This is Lantana. It's always in my list. It's very hardy and evergreen plant. I love the rounded clusters of small brightly colored flowers. It looks very pretty in hanging baskets also. These are Portulaca or moss rose. I love its rose-like flowers and fat succulent leaves. They are also good for ground covering and looking very beautiful in hanging pots. Here is another beautiful house plants in spring and summer, Gilardia, also known as blanket flower. Once it is established in your garden, it blooms non-stop throughout the hot sunny days. This is Ixora. One best thing about this plant is it flowers throughout the year and each flower clusters give a long-lasting, lovely color to your garden or any landscaping. Here I am going to show you a beautiful ornamental shrub again, Tecoma. Once it gets settled in your garden, it will enchant you with its lovely flowers for many years. Jasmine, very common in tropical region. You may find them blooming in single or in clusters. It reminds me the summer nights with sweet fragrance. Or you may add these flowers in your list. They are permanent and bloom in summer. This is rose. A garden without rose may be incomplete. This is Alamanda. It's a very fast growing plant. It needs a little bit more care before blooming because it needs good amount of fertilizer during blooming, mostly in summer and rains. Alamanda is extensively grown as a climber or shrub in tropical region. Here is an interesting plant belong to succulent family. This is known as Euphorbia millet or crown of thorns. Wow, these are French marigold, trendy, comfortable to grow under full sun in an outlasting flower in hot summer days. Here is another so tiny, colorful, delicate flower. They are so attractive enough to grab your attention. So add it in your list, Darinia, or wish one flower. They begin to bloom from late spring to early summer and delight you throughout because they seem to be delicate but can withstand the summer heat. And last not the least, this is Bougainvillea. It is a year-round flowering plant. If you are looking for a vibrant, low-maintenance ground cover or as a first climber for a structure or building or want to give a nice look to your hanging basket or any container or as a fence or want to have bonsai, so Bougainvillea is the right answer to all. So these are my collection. What are you going to add in your list? Thank you for watching this till the end.